affiliate with Kharisma Jewelz. I am an independent paparazzi consultant, number 253010. And today what I'm going to show you is how to make a simple display under $15. Alright, so today I'm going to reference my display as a TP display. You can use this indoors or outdoors. It's pretty easy to make and it's pretty portable to take around with you and transfer, which I'm going to show you how to make it using just a few items. So of course you're going to need two 2x4s that you can get from your local Lowe's. You're going to need some spray paint that I got from my local Walmart. I use the color gray. Well, it's called slate. I use the slate paint because it gives the display a better look with your jewelry. I also use ribbon that I got from my local Walmart for $1, which was on sale. And then of course you're going to need some pink tape, which I also got from my local Walmart. So I'm going to show you how to make the display. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use your paint and you're going to spray the display. Make sure you evenly spray the paint on both sides, on both of the 2x4s. All right, and then once you do that, you're going to take your display board and you're going to tape it all the way around. All right, so what I need my scissors for is because once I tape it all around, I take my scissors and I poke holes so that I can get my ribbons in there. All right, so you poke holes only on the top where you're going to connect the two boards together. And if you can go around and show them that both of the boards paint are on the outer sides of the board. So make sure that you place the painted sides on the outer. All right, and then you just basically put it in TP form. All right, so next I take my ribbon and I take my ribbon and I put a safety pin because you see how thick it is. I put a safety pin on the end of my ribbon so I can easily weave it. All right, so you take the safety pin in the thread. Whoops, it fell. It'll be all right. And I take this and I stick it in between. And I just pull it through. Then I stick it in, and there you go. And I just pull, and I just start weaving. Weave it like you weave a shoelace. So you have to pull it up sometimes so that you can see it. And it's simple. Just weave it all the way around. All right. And you can pretty much weave it how you want. You can do it in and out, or you can do over. So just to give it a good look, I'm going to do in, out, and then over. So once I finish, I'll show you the outcome, and then we'll continue to go. I have weaved all the way through like a shoelace across the display. Now what this does is to keep it sturdy and hold it together. But at the end, if you notice, I didn't cut my ribbon yet. What I'm going to do is I tied it, and then I'm going to pull it all the way up so that the display board won't come loose. Come over here so you can see me tie it. You're going to push it all the way up so that it won't come loose. All right? So you're going to give it a good tug. All right, you can tie it as many times as you like or however you like, just as long as it has a good tie. And you're going to do this to both sides. All right, so I just simply just keep pushing it in, or however you want to tie it. It's totally up to you. All right, so, all right. So now that I tied it, now this is when I'm going to cut it. I'm still going to give it a little length on it. I'm going to cut about right there just in case I have to tie it again. Now, scoot back a little bit. With this extra ribbon, and now, I'm a little low on ribbon, but with this extra ribbon, what I'm going to do is, yes, we see our display nice and sturdy, and, you know, it's not going to come loose, but just to ensure that it doesn't come loose when you put all your jewelry on it, you're going to take your ribbon, and you're just going to put it here, all right? So that you can still open it and close it, but this gives it that sturdiness so that it can't go out a certain length, all right? So you're going to put that on both sides. Now, also with your extra ribbon, you can take this, so when you collapse it and you take all your accessories off, you can take this extra ribbon and you can make a handle. Alright, so once again, this is our TP display that you can use for your inside and outside vendor events. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm more than willing to help you. You can always visit my website at www.kharismajewelz.com. I am an independent consultant, and if you're looking for a team, don't hesitate to join mine. Once again, that's www.kharismajewelz.com. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, Hope you enjoyed.